So guys, in today's class, I'm going to be showing you how to invest $1 on Bybit. Alright. Now, I've talked about this several times and there are lots of people who have little amount of capital and they want to actually make their little monies work for them. Alright. Now, in the world of finance, especially when it comes to Bybit and all these exchanges, there are always provisions for people who have larger sums of money and small sum of money. All right. Now I'm going to show you how you can work with Bybit. You click on this area where you find more. I've actually done this so many times, so I'm very familiar with this, and I will share everything you need to know. You can come down to this area, scroll, scroll, scroll. You'll find this place where the finance area is. You click on Bybit N. Okay, when you click on Bybit N, there are several things, several amazing features here for you. So Bybit N, there are lots of products here which I'll talk about one after the other in another class. But in today's class, I'm just going to show you how you can invest $1. All right. Now, the reason why I love this area is because you can do a lot of things here. And one of the best assets I think you can work with is USDT. The reason why I mentioned USDT is because USDT is a stable asset. If you invest USDT, you are going to be paid in USDT. So the price of USDT doesn't fall or rise like other coins. But if you invest Bitcoin and the price and you'll be paid in Bitcoin, okay? If you invest Bitcoin, you'll be paid in Bitcoin. If the price of Bitcoin starts falling, your investment and your returns would reduce in price. All right. I hope you understand what I mean. If you invest in Ethereum, you get to be paid Ethereum, okay, in returns. Okay. Now, if the price of Ethereum falls in price while you are being paid, you are going to still lose your capital. Okay. So the best idea is to invest in a particular product that will not fall sharply or rise sharply. Don't get me wrong, if you invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptos and they start going up, you're certainly going to profit more. All right. But here, one of the safest assets is the USDC and of course USDT and other stable coins you can find when you scroll down. All right, so let's get straight to the USDT, which is the one I certainly like because it doesn't reduce sharply, it doesn't increase sharply, so you can stay with your assets for a very long time. There are several options here, so you can choose. When it comes to, you can choose from here. You can see flexible. Flexible simply means you can take out your money anytime you like. If you put in your $1 today, tomorrow you can decide to take it out. All right, that's what flexible means. Fixed term means you cannot take out your money within that period of time. You have to decide, do you want to do you want to you have to leave your money for 7 days. If you have invested your $1, you must leave it there for 7 days. After 7 days, you can take out your $1, and within that 7 days, you get to be paid daily returns. All right. Now, 7 days is of course fixed. Now in this product, it is both fixed and flexible, so you can just navigate the one you like. So because I want you to be able to take out your monies anytime you like, you can click on flexible. Okay, the first one. When you click on flexible, this is what you're going to find on your Bybit app. All right. If you follow me, you know I've talked about this many times. All right. Now once you are here, all you have to do is to click on this area where you find this down sign, and you'll see something like this. There are many of them. All right. Now scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. When you scroll down, you find this area where you find flexible with a gold sign. All right. This is where we are coming to. Okay. Now you click on it. Anyone you see sold out, it means people have all purchased this completely, and this gives about 12% in returns after the certain period allowed, which is 7 days. Okay, that's why people have rushed it already. People have rushed this one, it has finished. People have rushed this one, it has finished. Okay, so anyone you see ended, it means the program has ended. Anyone you see sold out, it means you can no longer invest with them. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place. This is where I asked you to click, this one with gold sign. When you click on it, Boom, you can see that, yeah, you can actually invest between $1 and up to 1 million. I say 1 million. So, okay, this is 199 million USDT, which is just call it 100 million USDT. Now, one very important thing you have to understand here is that this is the amount of people who have this is the amount of USDT that have been staked on this product. 862 million USDTs have been staked on this product. You can see this 10 USDT means I am currently staking 10 USDT on this product, which means yes, I practice this and yes, I have been earning from it. In fact, let me show you how much I've earned from 10 USDT, because most of the things I share you here, I've already been practicing it for a very long time. So it will be very easy for me to tell you what to do. So yes, I've staked 10 USDT on this area, and of course I get daily returns, and I'm going to show you now. Okay, now let me show you how much I've earned. I'm going to click on this area where you find assets, and once I'm here, I'm going to click. You can see this place. You find N on the down area, invested product. This is where I've staked it, and I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, you can see I'm going to locate the particular one, which is Bybit savings, which is what showing one active. I'll click on that area that shows one active. Then on this area, I'm going to click on total yield. I'm just showing you my history, the history of what I've earned. Now, when I click on total yield, here you begin to find all the returns. Every day there will be some little chunks of USDT Bybit is share and distributing to people who have invested in that product. For example, you can see this is I don't know, today is let me check today's date. Today should be the 7th. Okay, today is the 7th, but I guess you'll be seeing this video on the 8th. So you can see today is the 7th. I've already been gotten the rewards for today, which is 7th. You can see it here. Yesterday was 6th. I've gotten the reward for 6th, which is, you can see it here. This is the amount of USDT I got. If you come down, you can see 5th. You come down, you can see 4th. You come down, you can see 3rd. Every day, you just be scrolling down, and you get tired of scrolling because every day there is something, a chunk of USDT Bybit to distribute to people who have invested in that product. And trust me, you can pull out your monies anytime. All right, I shared how to pull out your monies some days back. Okay, but it is just good if you leave your monies on product like this. You can just get to earn little chunks of rewards for yourself. Now you have seen that you have seen how it works. Now let me talk about how you can invest there. Now, don't forget, I mentioned the direct place to go there is to click on where you find more. And when you click on where you find more, you click on P2P. No, no, no. Oh, I'm already too familiar with the P2P. Oh, okay. So here, this is Bybit N. You click on Bybit N. Okay. Please, if you're loving this video, give it a like, because this is going to help you see other videos I will make, and then you'll be able to do this by yourself. Now remember, I shared why it must be USDT. Okay, why it must be USDT. I gave you the advantages of USDT and why you should not put your monies on the Bitcoin yet. Okay, maybe in the future, if we find an advantage for the Bitcoin, I will share to you. You can ask me questions down in the comment section, guys. I mentioned you click on this area. Okay, you can ask me any questions you have, any question you have, sorry, on the comment section, and definitely I'll be there to answer you. And don't forget, please check up tonight or tomorrow. I'll also show you how to do the same thing on KuCoin. All right, very important. So I told you to come down and click on this gold sign over here, and here is where you can put your monies. And then now, how much do you earn daily? Oh, I don't like talking about you earn daily, this, that. No, no, no. I just believe that everybody has their own potential, and your potential here depends on the amount of monies you are willing to put into it, and then of course your investment amount, and then the percentage current at that particular time. Okay, okay. So here you can see that Bybit is telling you that if you are investing, currently I'm investing $10, that you already know. Okay, Bybit is telling you that if you're investing less than 200 USDT or 200 USDT, your percentage return is about 6%. Okay, If you're investing more than you 200 USDT, your percentage return is about um 1.06%. People are going to ask, how? Why? People who are supposed to put more are supposed to earn more. Yeah, that is because this is not a Ponzi scheme and there are financial regulations to these things. So they are paying you monies, and so you have to, if you are putting more monies here, unfortunately you'll be earning less or 1%. Okay, if you are using 200 USDT, then you'll be earning 6% currently. So this can change depending on when you're watching the video. If you're watching this video 1 year from now or 2 years from now, you have to check the current percent rate. So let's say I want to put all my monies like this. Okay, if I put in all my USDT, okay, I have about 180 USDT, but only 107 is available for me to use right now. So with my 107 USDT, this is my estimated daily yield, which means monies or chunks of monies you're gonna be getting it daily, as I've shared or I've shown you in the uh, previous previous minutes ago, like few minutes ago. Now, who does this favor? This favor people who have, okay, let me put 200 USDT. You can see 200 USDT, this is about 6.60%. The reason why you're seeing insufficient balance is because I don't have up to 200 USDT. So if you have up to 200 USDT, you will not find an insufficient balance popping up here, right? Now, of course, let me see what will happen if you now, yeah, the whole soul of this thing is that you can invest just $1. All right, just one is enough. If you put in one, then you come here. I cannot invest again because I've already invested previously. But what you're going to do is that click on one, click on this I have read the stuff, and then you click on stick now, and that is all you need to do. Okay, if you click on this auto savings, that means you are instructing Bybit to automatically take monies from your account and invest for you, but I recommend you should leave it off so that you can be doing it by yourself. All right, now if you have more, like let's say 100,000 USDT, if you have 100,000 USDT, then you are entitled to about 2.9 USDT on the estimated daily yield area. Okay, now look at the amount of USD that have been invested in this, and of course this is actually one of Bybit's best products, and this is just beautiful, and trust me, it is good for you. Okay, so people who have $1, yeah, there's something good for you here, which means with your $1 you can actually come here to get this is the estimated daily yield. Okay, you can come through the timeline and see how you'll be paid. It's just very simple. I've shared how it is distributed. This is the date. This is the order time, which is the current time right now that I'm making this video. This is when the yield will start. This is your accrual time. This is when you'll be getting your monies. The time you'll be getting your first amount of yield. Okay, so this will be the end of this class, guys. Please give this video a like and try to comment under the video so that you can ask your questions. Any question you ask, I'm going to answer it, and then I'm going to let you know. I'm going to answer your questions so that you will not be confused and you understand everything I've talked about on this particular video. Now, tomorrow I'm going to share how you can do the same on KuCoin, and then next tomorrow I'll be sharing how you can do it on Binance. I've shared all of these things before, but I'm doing it again for so that people will be able to understand how it works. And subsequently, we'll talk about all of these percentage, this big percent, how you can be part of it, and of course, all of these huge flexible savings. People come here and you see a lot of things here, and you want to even get into it. I'm going to share how you can be part of it, how it works, the advantages, the disadvantages, how much I've earned from it, and if it's a good idea for you or if it's not. See you on another one, guys. You have a very wonderful day.